Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a new Matchbox car. This is from 2022, the new red color of the 1969 BMW 2002. Brand new red color for 2022, number 87 of 100 for 2022. And they actually misprinted that. The 2022 main line has 102 cars in it. But anything past Mix A, they put 100 instead of 102. So, 1969 BMW 2002, this classic sport sedan. I've seen a couple of these in real life, and they don't look too bad. Here we go, 87 of 100. And then the dark packaging design. This is still 2022, very late 2022 release, but as you can see, it's a 2022 because it doesn't say 70th anniversary up here. I'm pretty sure that's how it works anyways, but really nice red color. I have a green one and a black one loose. The green one's from a 5-pack, I believe, and the black one is from mainline release from 2021, but comes with a little protector. Really cool that Matchbox is still doing these protectors to protect the car in the packaging if you want to keep them in the package. But we got the ring disc wheels in chrome here. Nice classic BMW. Nice boxy design, classic sedan. Take a nice look there. Good for a city setting. Have mirrors on that as well. Really nice, intricate details. BMW 2002 in the back with the BMW logo and the lights there. Take a nice look. 2-door sedan. There's the front, classic BMW grille. And I miss the old grills. They came up with this new grill and it's ugly. But the older grills look a lot better. Here's the roof here. Nice BMW logo. Gray interior we have on this one. Driving is on the United States side on the left, and then kind of a tan, kind of gray tan plastic base. Casting's been out since 2018-ish. Made in Thailand. And good spinning wheels. Have 3 different colors of this BMW now. Pretty nice. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Goodbye.